want you to mark out the V in your ribs for me, Elise. Now, this is the V in my ribs. I'm running my hands down the inside of my ribs. Can you see that I'm pushing my fingers nearly into the underside of my ribs there? Like, yeah. Okay. Can you do that? Can you just put the camera down for us? I just want to sort of see that, Elise, that you're doing that there. Yep, mark out the V of your ribs. That's it. Beautiful. Good, because the ball needs to go there, Elise. Okay. So the ball needs to go right in here like this, okay? See, these are my ribs either side, okay? And you're going to lay on the ball, okay, between 10 to 30 seconds with your arms and shoulders up like this, okay? I'm going to show you what to do, and you're going to start to do this, okay? So give me 1 second. I'm going to set this up on the floor, and then you're going to do this. You don't have to put your camera down like me. Yeah. You see me on the floor here?
Yep. Yep. Okay.
So the V's right in the V of the ribs.
Yep.
And it's right in here. It's locked in, okay? Arms and shoulders like this. Knees are on the ground. And I breathe out all my air while I'm on the ball. I'm not breathing in, Elise. I'm breathing all my air out. The ball's pushing into this area. This is going to stretch this area out. It's not a nice feeling. It's like being winded. 90% of your lungs are down here. They're in the V of the ribs. They're not at the top, okay? This is going to heighten your mind that 90% of your lungs are down here. It's going to manually stretch out your lower lung capacity. You lay down here between 10 to 30 seconds. If you're doing it correctly, Elise, you will feel a heartbeat or a pulse in the ball. Yep. Sounds strange, but that's what you will feel. When you get up, you want to look sideways into the mirror like this. One hand on your stomach, one hand on your chest, and you're going to breathe solely through your diaphragm. Watch my lower hand, Elise. You see my top hand's not moving? Yeah. 5 times. This area will feel stretched out and loosened. You'll feel a heartbeat and a pulse down there. Top hand doesn't want to be moving, okay? I'm going to leave that with you this week. If it does.
Sorry. Yep. When you're laying on the basketball, are you breathing in like through your nose, or you just breathing out? How do you breathe in to breathe out?
Breathe all your air out. Hold your breath with no air in there.
Oh, okay. So
if you need to breathe air in, little breaths, just tiny. But you want to relax your stomach when you're on the ball. Let the ball push in there. Try to feel a heartbeat or a pulse in the ball. Mm-hmm. You should feel that, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to leave you with that. That was in the last 4 minutes of this recording. So I'll stop this recording now. But I want you to go and just practice that this week. If you're not getting it, don't stress. I'm going to run through it next week until you get it. I'll run through it in more time. I just ran out of time here, so I had to just quickly give that to you.
Yep.
Okay? So it's all on the recording there. Mm-hmm. Any questions, Elise?